Quick product unboxing and review, guys, for you. Anyways, we have this delivered today and I purchased through Amazon. And so I'm just gonna open this up for you guys and show you what I have. That's why I use this. I've been waiting to get one of this, and we've been dealing with cords all over the place here in the garage when we're working on the cars. And for power source, I managed to get one of this real extension cord. It's definitely long overdue, guys. I've been waiting to have one of this in the longest time and finally get the chance to get one. And it's off Amazon and it's under $60, it's around $54. And again, it's in the theme, it's black and red, so it's gonna match our theme throughout the garage here. As you can see, it's not super bulky at all. It's about 30 feet in length, which is enough to get around the whole garage here, basically. It's nicely packaged, and as you can see, you can hang it, you can put it on the side. It has 3 outlets. Can't wait to install it, guys. Right now, I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put it, but we're gonna make a decision here and see where we can actually put it. Here's the brace that we will be putting here if we want to hang it over the ceiling or so. And yeah, anyhow, it's very inexpensive. It is fairly solid. It's metal. It looks like it's a metal casing. And I love it because it's the same color as what we have in the garage here with everything here. So it's matching for sure. Anyways, guys, we'll figure out where we're going to install this and we'll show you in a minute. Stay tuned. All right, we're on to the hardest part of the installation, guys. Usually is always trying to figure out where to install this thing inside the garage. I always want to make sure that everything is in proportion, that it's placed in the proper place in the garage. I just don't want to slop it in anywhere. So what I was thinking of doing is the dedicated power we have is the one that we have underneath the stairs that's powering the compressor. That's basically a 20 amp, which I can use, or 15 amp that I can use for multiple appliances. I might be able to install it in this area here, which I truly hate because I'd rather have it higher so that way we can pull it from the ceiling, so it's not like on the way of anything per se. We can literally pull it and then work on something and then put it back up instead of pulling from the side and have anybody tripping on it. I'd rather just have it hanging up top. But the only problem is we don't have a outlet dedicated enough. Maybe I can top in with the plug that's on the fan there, or we can use the plug that is dedicated for the power on the heating system. We could probably put it around that area, possibly. And anywhere close to our opener there's some plugs over there as well. And also below it, I have one on the fridge, behind the fridge, or the one that's powering our pressure washer there. So anyways, guys, I'm not quite sure. That's really hard for me to decide where I want to put this thing, and I want to make sure it look nice as well in the process of doing it. Just want to show you exactly what's going on here. It's fairly simple. There's the brace. I've already installed it, of course, just to try it out. And there's the pin and the locking pin that goes with it. I'm just trying it out right now. And most likely we'll install the brace first and then we install the whole unit up, kind of thing. So yeah, anyways, let me see where I'm gonna put it. I'm actually thinking to possibly put it in the same area where the other reel is, just below it. But then again, I hate to be pulling something out of there. And let me see, guys.
2 very boring minutes later.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I decided that I'm going to put it here because we do have an outlet underneath here that is dedicated for any type of things that we can do power-wise. And so I've already pre-drilled this hole for the screws here. And we will screw it in here pretty soon. It's fairly low and everything, but you know what? Temporarily, we'll try it here. And if we do like it, we'll keep it here. If not, we will move it. Nice. Pretty easy install, guys. So you guys can see, it'll be nice over here. It will just be tucked in like that, which is nice. It's not on the way of anything here. You can pull it and work on things, and then I could put it back in. So I'm pretty happy where it's at right now. We can still swivel around to coverage around the garage here. I like it here because it's center of the garage, so it's easily maneuverable to go around everywhere I want to be able to work on anything here, and easily tucked in like this in the process. So we'll leave it at that. We're just gonna work it this way for now, and then we'll move it if we need to. If we don't like where it's at, we can move it always anyways. Not a big deal at this point, but for the meantime, this will do. Let's lock this in as well. Put our key in to lock it in so it doesn't slip out. There we go, all set. Plug it in, and then we'll use it. Pretty awesome. Here we go, all done. Folks, one more time. I'm pretty happy with the setup here. I like it. I like the way it's at right now. It can move around basically, as you can see, fairly easy. You can pull it as far as we can to where we're working at. And pretty easy, guys. It just goes back nicely. No more of that power cord. Like, as you can see, I'm using a power cord all the way here to get additional length to get some power going. And I do have additional extension cord here as well. Just cumbersome to work with this extension cords. It's just horrible to work with it and you trip on it. Having this guy sitting there, and you could easily just pull it whenever you want and you need it. And it can even go this way here and work on this side. And still fine. Nothing is on the way. So it's pretty neat. I'm liking it so far. Very nice product. As you can see, guys, it has this metal plate. Very sturdy brace with 2 bolts there in the back. There's a clip and the pin. I hope you like this video, guys. I'm gonna do a review on this, obviously, and in a year or so I'm gonna give you an update on how well this product is. If it's still surviving and it's still working, then I'll let you guys know. So stay tuned.